Hello everyone, welcome to Love and Lux. We have a quick unboxing. This is a Chanel unboxing. And let's just get into it. I got this from the Chanel store in San Francisco. So it's just going to be a really quick video. Let me just show you the receipt information now. And here is the price. So as you can tell by looking at the receipt, it is another long wallet, but it's not the classic long wallet. I wanted the classic one in white with gold hardware, but they didn't have any. So I'll show you what I got. And I plan on wearing this one the exact way that I wear the other one, and I'm still going to do a video showing the different ways that I wear it. So this is it. They did a price increase on the wallets, but I don't think this one got increased, and it's probably because it's seasonal. So I was after a long flap wallet, but it's not the classic flap wallet. It's white caviar with gold hardware, and there's no pocket on the back. So just like the other one, I plan on wearing it as a belt bag, a clutch, putting my own straps through, and wearing it crossbody, short shoulder, long shoulder. It's the same setup as the other one. So you have a slip compartment here, a slip compartment in the back. This one says it's made in Spain. 6 card slots here, and then 6 card slots here, and then you have your zipper pull. The interior has little flags with red CC logos. I'm not a big fan of the interior, but that's okay. And yeah, it's just white caviar with gold hardware. I was after something white with gold hardware. If you guys saw any of my previous videos from the warmer months, you'll know that I have these white Chanel sandals with gold hardware, and I was after a white wallet with gold hardware that I could wear with it, because I didn't want to buy I didn't want to spend Chanel money on a white handbag. So yep. And this is thank you to my husband, because he bought this for me, just because. It's not like my birthday or anything, so he just got it just because he knew I wanted it. And yeah, that's that. Just a really quick unboxing. Alright, so that's it. That's all. Hope you guys liked the video. Bye.